Guys, I just found out how to get free Fruit Notifier and Dark Blade in BLOX Fruits, and I want to show you guys how to do this too so that you can have more fun playing. This is a very cool trick that I learned how to do recently, and I want you guys to know how to do it too. So let's go check it out, and you guys can enjoy getting that Dark Blade and free Fruit Notifier quick, easy, and for free. So here we are in BLOX Fruits, and I'm going to show you guys how to get this done. So as you can see up here in the top left corner, I've got this little options menu that I can click on and open up, and that's going to allow us to change these things and get the Fruit Modifier and the Dark Blade. So we've got on the left, enable Fruit Notifier and enable Dark Blade. So you're going to make sure those are checked, and then it's as simple as just going ahead and clicking the activate button. So go ahead and click that, and it's going to sit here and load for a second. And then once it's loaded, you're going to have those things just that easy. It's awesome. So now I'm going to show you how to get the mod that's going to let this work. So what you're going to do is go to your home screen, and you're going to want to open Safari. So in Safari, go to your browser, and you're going to type in Tweak Valley. So I've been to this website, it pops up for me, but for you guys, it's tweakvalley.com. Incredibly simple to remember and easy. And now you've got all of these different apps that you can download and play with and do whatever you want for it. So now up at the top, we're going to go to the search bar, and we're going to type in for BLOX Fruits. And then we've got the BLOX Fruits mod. It'll pop up for us. We're going to hit install. And it's going to take a minute to install, but you guys got to be patient because there's a couple of next steps that I've got to show you that's going to allow you to enable the configuration profile that we're downloading right now. And if you don't do that properly, then this isn't going to work for you, and I want it to work for you the first time. So let's make sure that this downloads properly, and once it does, it's actually going to pop up with a couple of prompts that we need to go through to make everything work. So here we are. It's pretty much done there. There we go. And then there's one more small loading screen that lasts for like just a couple of seconds after this. There we go. There it is, the little white ring. All you're going to do is click allow, click close, and then you're going to go to your home screen. You're going to find your settings app, and this is where we're going to find the profile. So in here under the top, we've got profile downloaded. Click on that. The profile will pop up for you. You're going to go ahead and click install, click next, click install, and then at the bottom you've got the big red install button. Go ahead and click that, and you are all good to go. You've got this mod downloaded. Go ahead and use it just how I showed you at the beginning. Thank you very much.